Now we've got our working product, let's get Brian to create a sales letter for us. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, the product is not ready to sell yet. It is an MVP, a minimum viable product. So it would need refining, improving, and getting just how you want it and to be in a format that is sellable. But you can see how easy it was to create that. And let's go ahead now and see what Brian can do for a sales letter for us. The software looks great now, thanks. So that we can sell it to salon owners, can you please create a sales page for us? This needs to be enticing so that salon owners will want to use the treatment cost calculator in their own business. Can you please also create a suitable logo and place that at the top of the sales page? When you've created the sales page, can you also deploy that to GitHub and Vercel, please? So let's get Brian working on that. As you see, again, nothing majorly technical in there. I'm just giving it my own ideas. If you hadn't got any ideas at all, you could just say, go ahead, create me a sales page, and it will go and do that. And it's always a case of looking at the sales page, see what it comes up with, then you can make your own tweaks to that, or you could ask Brian to go and have a look at it and say, is that the best you can do? Can you improve it? Can you make it more enticing for the owners of the salon who would want to then go for that particular product? So I'm going to pause again and we'll wait and see what Brian comes back with. So Brian has now come back to me and said, I'll create a professional sale page for the treatment cost calculator with a logo. Let me build this out. Product created. Now let me build the sales page with a professional logo. Sorry, that was project created. That is done. Sales page is live. Deployment complete. There's the sales page. URL. It's put the details into my GitHub. It said what's included: professional logo, calculator icon with a pound sign and sparkle, treatment calc branding with tagline, clean modern design, page sections, and it's gone through all of the different sections and things there. So we've got a hero section, a problem section, it's got some benefits, it's got a features list, it's got how it works, it's got a CTA section, it's got a footer with branding and copyright, key selling points, free for a single salon, badge in hero, not sure what that means, no sign up required, works instantly, UK focused messaging. So you can see it's done all this itself. We'll obviously have a look at the sales page in a second, but it's gone away, it's thought about this, it's not just plonked a few words down, it's coming up with headline, problems, it's then given benefits, it's given features, it's given how it works, it's done all the sections, it's thought about it. So let's have a look what it's given us. Let me click on here, let me open that. That's opened it in the other window. Let me drag that over. So here it is. I'm not sure that's the sort of logo I would want, but you can see it has created a logo. It's called it Treatment Calc. So that's its official name for this product. Again, you could change this. If you don't like it, you could say, no, I want it to be called this, or I want anything. It's free for single salons. You may not want it to be. You may want to charge salons. Again, all changeable, but let's just have a basic look. I mean, as you can see, we've got all of this sales page. Brian has just done that in a couple of minutes. It's created that for you. So let's just have a look through it. Are your treatments actually making money? Stop guessing, discover which treatments are profitable, which are breaking even, and which are quietly draining your salon's profits. Again, I'm smiling when I read this because your AI worker has gone away and just done this in a couple of minutes for you. And I think you'll agree, yes, it will need some tweaking, but it's a great starting point. And that is now, again, deployed on a web page. It is there and it is live, and I could use this and start promoting this product to businesses. So it's got an example here saying your treatments, the 3 treatments, there's that, and it's showing that you're losing £240 a month on those products. The problem most salon owners don't know they have. You price your treatments based on what competitors charge, what feels right, or what customers will pay. But you've never calculated the true cost of delivering each service. 60% of salon owners don't know the true treatment cost, £300 plus, average monthly profit loss from underpriced treatments. 15 minutes is the average time salon owners think a treatment takes versus reality. Everything you need to price for profit. And then I won't read every word on here, but you can see we've got spot hidden losses, maximise profits, simple and fast, cover all costs. Built for real salon owners, no complicated spreadsheets, no accounting jargon. Enter your numbers and see instantly whether each treatment makes you money. And it's got again an example of what that looks like. Get started in 3 simple steps. Add your salon settings, add your treatments, see your profitability. Launch the calculator now. Is that, I mean, it would be very clever if I press that and that took me straight into the calculator. So it's already linked to go into there. Now obviously what we've got is a no, let me come back to the sales page. This is a no cost version, so it's saying 100% free. So obviously if you didn't want it to be that, then we could change this. As I say, this could be a button to charge them by PayPal or Stripe or something like that, and only when they paid did they get pinged over into the app. So that's it for this demonstration, but I hope you are as impressed and as wowed as I am when I see every time I do this. I'm amazed by what it comes up with. The fact that all this has been done by, well, me actually speaking to my computer, but you could actually do this just the same through Telegram on your mobile phone. So you could actually be effectively sat in bed, talk to Brian or whatever you call your bot on Telegram via your phone and say, go ahead and do this. And if you did that at night, by the time you wake up in the morning, you could have a finished project there with working software and a sales page for it. All of that is possible with OpenClaw.